those who expose crimes are treated as those who committed crimes. You know, you look at someone like Julian Assange. Guy is exposing crimes and he's thrown into jail for it. And those who are actually committing the crimes, such as people like George W. Bush, enjoying his retirement. Hey guys, this is Sygula from TruthTheory.com. Topic for today is how the world is upside down. And let me explain what I mean by that. So the first topic is food. If you think about food, food is something that should be natural, right? But actually, currently what is natural, as close to natural possible, is organic food, which is actually something fancy these days. You know, it's something that is actually more expensive than normal food. What is normal food is, if you look at it, you know, plants, for example, as soon as you insert a seed in soil, we use pesticides, fertilizers. We pollute food with all sorts of chemicals. If you look at how we raise animals, factory farms, cramping large amounts of animals in some conditions where they can't even walk, using artificial light, very often using hormones and other insane things. It's all designed to increase productivity. If you look at what is the normal stuff you can see on the shelves in the supermarket, it's stuff that is full of additives, preservatives. You know, it looks nice, has nice logos, tastes great, but actually it's extremely unhealthy, can last for months. Very often you buy a product and it has like 50 ingredients inside. So the food is completely upside down. Food manufacturers, they basically try to improve the lifespan of products, invent flavors so we become more addicted, and reduce the cost of production, right? So we basically reach the point where what is natural is actually much more expensive and less obtainable than what is not natural. Second example is our health. So what is natural? Natural treatments these days are called alternative. And conventional medicine is actually the stuff that has very often side effects, using chemicals. You know, you treat one thing, you get side effects on the other side. Medicine, really, these treatments should focus on preventing disease. And what our pharmaceutical industry does is actually trying to focus on treating the symptoms instead of focusing on the cause or preventing disease in the first place. And the reason obviously behind it is that this is what makes money. You cannot patent nature. Natural cures are often dismissed or hidden. If you treat symptoms, you have customers for much longer than if you eliminate the root cause, right? Number 3, focusing on exterior and ignoring our essence. We put way more attention on how we look, our physical appearance, especially common on social media, our cult of celebrities. We glorify celebrities for how they look, and really we ignore our inner self, our essence, who we are, what's going on inside our minds. If you look at celebrities, for example, we glorify how they look, what kind of brands they wear, what's their physical appearance, but very often they are completely spoiled, destroyed from the inside. Often end up with addictions, divorces, greed, ego, envy, jealousy. Like, that's what's going on from the inside, and on the outside it all looks great, right? So we ignore the essence, we ignore what's going on inside, and we glorify and focus on the external. Number 4, most people focus a lot on what is meaningless and ignore what is really important. You know, if you look at, most people focus on some entertainment, on celebrity gossip, on soap operas, on the royals, reality shows. Just look at the most popular accounts on social media and what gets the most views on social media. I think you will get all the answers. And actually what is really important, the fact that we're destroying the planet, that we are creating irreversible changes to the planet because of our habits, because of the system. This is what's really important, because, you know, if your kids or grandkids won't have a planet to live on, that's probably more important, right? Things like understanding ourselves, understanding our lives more, who we truly are, these kind of things should be the priority, right? Another example, those who expose crimes are treated as those who committed crimes. You know, you look at someone like Julian Assange. Guy is exposing crimes and he's thrown into jail for it. And those who are actually committing the crimes, such as people like George W. Bush invading Iraq, hundreds of thousands of people killed, at least trillions of dollars spent on wars based on lies, enjoying his retirement. That's how we treat those kind of people. And people who are fighting for freedom, they end up in jail. So look at how corrupt this system is, how everything is twisted, upside down, completely. Anyway, let me know what you think about these ideas, and please share this video if it resonates. Please share it, because that always helps tremendously. And let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Until next time.